Stjarnagloss.
Stjarnagloss?
Stjarnagloss.
Stjarnagloss.
Forced.
First.
Snow. Stuj.
Egel.
Os.
Os.
Glass.
Gloss.
Indy.
Eine.
All right, guys, pretty excited. I got some new products from Stjarnagloss. Don't kill me if I don't know how to pronounce these names, but just go with me on that. If you guys got it better, God bless you. Stjarnagloss is a company that the rag company is now showcasing, and I've just picked up these products here. I think I've got, it says Force, but I think it's called First because it's the first thing you do. It's their citrus pre-cleaner, and this stuff smells good, but it's something you would spray on your tires or on your lower rocker panels of your car. It's going to help break down that dirt and grime, so you spray that first. I've got some Snow, which is their snow foam pre-wash. Obviously you're going to put this in your foam cannon, spray it through, foam it up, rinse it down. Smells pretty good. You've got Bubbler, which is their car shampoo or car wash. This has kind of like a high gloss. It's supposed to leave after you wash your car with it, and that smells good. We've got Parla, which is their spray sealant. And don't ask how long these things last, because you might live somewhere where it's 50 degrees and I live where it's 104 today and just getting hotter. All the weather conditions matter, how you wash it matters, but this is their spray sealant, and that smells really good. I've got their Silk. This is their high shine or high gloss detailer. It's their quick detailer. That one smells nice. So you're gonna use this after you finish washing your car and you wanna get that extra gloss. We've got their glass cleaner. Now I've already smelled this, and it smells like a real potent type of smell. Not a good smell. It's a potent glass cleaner smell. And we also have Any, which is their interior cleaner. And I don't think this smells like anything. Pretty neutral smelling in my opinion, and this would be for the interior of your car. So I just got some products to kind of use throughout a full car wash here, and we're gonna try them out. Of course, they sent me a little keychain. These came very well wrapped. It took me a minute to cut and get through all the bubble wrap. They are all sealed inside the cap there with a seal. I had to cut that and pull that out. They all came with their own sprayers and their own flip top type of lids. They're real easy to squeeze and pour them out. So very impressed so far with the packaging, most of the scents, and the way they look. I mean, fantastic. So we'll get into some uses. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use, which ones I'm not gonna use yet, but stay tuned for more. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of the new videos and new products.